So we have the flight test 3D XL. Like riding a bike, Phil.
More of a wavy edge.
It's cool.
I want to get good where it can come down just above the ground, inverted.
Yeah.
I think it's time to start trying that.
Oh boy.
I'll go through a few planes.
You might. Yeah. Ginny's husband Gary wants us to do that. I'm happy just being touch and goes and
Right.
being 6, 8, 10 feet, you know, inches off the ground. Of course, as long as you don't try to go inverted when you're right over the ground, you're probably okay.
Yeah, those pilots who can just come in
And flip like right here.
like,
Yeah.
they'll like come down like from here, and then yeah, just skim the ground, invert, and
Yeah.
off.
Shoot, that's what they do at Knoll. Those guys are crazy. Ooh, but
Way too close to watch.
way too close. I agree. And they jump out and bite you.
Yeah, I'm more comfortable up here.
Yeah, me too. And I don't even do it that long. The other day, I think I did my longest with the new conscendo, the full one I got. Conscendo, whatever people want to call it.
Oh yeah, watch. I'll put them. This flaperon.
It'll come to a grinding halt in the air.
Yeah, so this is cool.
Wow.
I'm just like barely even. I'm not touching the sticks right now. Take them off.
I want to do that with the Flight Test Explorer I got. Because I do have the extra channel. I have a 6 channel in it, and I only got, obviously, I'm only using 4. That's a good inverted height for me. And I don't like being overhead like that when I'm flying.
I usually don't.
Goes nice and smooth though.
Yeah, it really is. It's so easy to fly. Alright. Swing around, come in. What? Attempt to come in.
The Flight Test 3D XL.